So imagine getting in the car and going for a drive. It's a cold sort of winter's morning, and you're about to head off to some sort of destination. And roughly, the destination time is going to be about half an hour or 45 minutes or so, or even an hour or longer. It all depends. But imagine stoking up your little travel buddy oven and putting on a chocolate brownie. Imagine having that cooking in the back while you're driving, and you pull up to your destination. Unbeknown to your friends, you pull out your little coffee machine, make yourself a coffee, and pull these little bad boys out of your travel buddy. How cool would that be? So let's get together and make one of these chocolate brownies. It's very, very simple, as it says here, simple and delicious on the packets. Greens, it's only a couple of dollars worth. They're not dear, these things. So the instructions are to preheat the oven to 200 degrees and lightly grease and line the base of a square slice pan with baking paper. Now I just make do with what I got. I've got a round baking tray. It's about 20 centimeters diameter, so that's going to have to do. It says to lightly grease and line the base of the square slice pan, or in my case round, with baking paper. Place brownie mix into the mixed bowl, add eggs and melted butter, mix until combined, transfer mixture into prepared slice pan, spreading mixture evenly to edge of pan, bake for 30 minutes or until brownie is set. Allow to cool completely in the pan before slicing and serving. This sounds delicious. Let's give it a crack. Nice. Okay, so that's about as simple as it gets. Just let that settle for a little bit. Now let's go out to my travel buddy. Now again, for the demonstration purposes, my travel buddy is connected to a C-Tech charger in my garage, only because I want to cook, but I haven't got a chance to get away anywhere, or I haven't been anywhere, so it's going to get done in my garage. Okay, let's see what's happening with the travel buddy. The travel buddy's been sitting at, I warmed it up about, I turned it on about half an hour ago, so it should be nice and warm. Let's have a look. If we turn the thermostat down, it only reached about 180 or something, and it switched itself off, so that means the oven's at about 180 odd degrees. So we'll stick our cake in there, shut her up, and we'll come back in half an hour's time and see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, so 30 minutes are up. Let's just take a look at this bad boy. Wow. The smell in here is amazing. But that looks like it needs a little bit more time. I don't know, I've never done one of these before, so still looking a bit soft, but that's probably how it's supposed to be. But I'm just going to leave it in there for another 10 minutes or so, and then take it out, and then it's got to go cold in the pan so it sets. So I'll leave it in there for another 10 minutes. We'll come back in 10 minutes time and see what it looks like. Travel Buddy's still at 160 degrees. So yeah, it's been half an hour. We'll give it another 10 minutes and then we'll pull it out and let it set. Let it cool down, and then we'll cut it up later on this afternoon and give it a try. Stay tuned. Alright, that's 40 minutes now. Time up. Oh, look at that. It's looking fantastic. So it definitely looks a lot firmer now. Nowhere near as runnier. Okay, so now all I reckon we need to do is let this cool, let it rest. That way it goes firm. And once it firms up, we'll slab it up and give it a taste. Okay, looks good. Wow. Okay, so we baked this for 40 minutes in the Travel Buddy. It's cooled down now, probably at ambient temperature. Let's see what it looks like inside. Oh my god. Imagine having this with a little bit of ice cream, eh? It's nice and sticky, but cooked. Look at that. Let's get a close-up of that. Wow, it's sticky as, cooked all the way through. That's gorgeous. Soft. That's exactly what you want. Okay. Well, I'm going to get myself some ice cream. Catches. And there we have it. Chocolate brownie with some chocolate ice cream. Too good. All cooked in the Travel Buddy, apart from the ice cream.